This selection is birthday at a Great Wall for Us by the Boo Crew. Like, so the link to the video will be in the description below. Go and check them out. So let's into this reaction in 3, 2, 1.
Say happy birthday, Aubrey. Are you so happy you're at a water park on your birthday?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, look at my headband.
Oh yeah, look at the headband. Happy birthday. Good morning. Where are we going?
Great Wolf Lodge.
Great Wolf Lodge.
Great Wolf
On my
Lodge.
birthday, and tomorrow's my birthday.
Tomorrow, Aubrey's gonna be how old?
6.
So today's the last day she will ever be 5. Crazy. Yes, so we are going to Great Wolf Lodge. We just watched our Great Wolf Lodge video from last year. So what are you guys most excited for?
Oh, the water slides.
The water slides?
The cake.
We should definitely have cake for Aubrey's 6th birthday.
And I'm so excited for the presents.
Oh yeah, and the presents. Absolutely. We did bring a couple presents for Aubrey to unwrap.
Yeah.
So,
And the rest is at home.
and the rest is at our house. So when we get home, she can unwrap the rest of her presents. But yeah, what's Dad most excited for?
The rest and relaxation.
Where are you going?
I'm gonna stay in the hotel room.
Yeah, right. But yeah, all right, but we are on our way. It is 3.5 hours. So yay for family time in the car. And here is Great Wolf Lodge.
Great Wolf for Us.
Are you guys ready to have a, what do they say, a Great Wolf day?
Yeah, Great Wolf Day.
There's little wolf prints on the building.
Yeah, like, there's free.
Oh, look at the wolf.
My iPad barely scratched.
I'm so glad. Oh, I'm zoomed in. Scary. I'm glad your iPad survived. Aubrey requested a birthday video, so
I did it.
yep, she said, please, please.
Well, I really want to do like a video on my birthday.
Yeah. But we are in room 2137. So let's see if we can remember where the elevators are. Let's see. Oh, that was nice.
See, here's the buttons.
La la la. Over here. What? Get the what? I think you just have to go to the gift shop and get them. I'm pretty sure we still can, but last year they sent us over there.
Oh, maybe.
Alright, so hit the button. I think we're just floor 2. You saw Green Goblin?
Yeah. Green. I'll pretend that's Green Goblin. That's so goofy.
Alright, hit number 2.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
Oh,
That's what you look like.
hey, stop it. Hey, it's her birthday. Leave her alone.
It's not your birthday yet. So I have to do it.
I will let Aubrey.
I just want to keep this.
Okay. Alright. Aubrey's gonna. Oh, look at that cute picture.
Oh,
So you're gonna go to the right. Yes. Keep going. I'll tell you when to stop. Just keep going. But keep going. Keep going, Aubrey. Hello. Yep, I got us a bigger room this time.
Oh, yeah.
Look at all these people celebrating their birthday.
Yeah. There's lots.
Just like Aubrey.
There's lots of birthdays.
There's probably a lot of people who have the same birthday as you. I know.
Birthday right here.
Oh my gosh. Everyone has the same birthday as you. Yeah. Yes, everyone comes here. Oh, I think this is it. That's ours.
That's ours.
Yeah. Yeah.
I take balloons.
Well, yeah, those are your balloons. Oh, wow. Oh, it says, redeem at Hungry as a Wolf. Oh, we get a pizza thing.
Wow, pizza. Pizza.
Balloons are all mine.
Yeah, let's check out this room. We did a suite of some sort. Yeah, last time we had bunk beds. So there's a big... Ow, Ian, what are you doing? I thought you had to really pee or something. You were... No bunk beds. Oh, here's... This is just a normal room? I know, looks like it's a nice suite, actually. But what do I know?
Oh, there's a letter.
Oh, there's a letter? Is there another bathroom? Oh, hello, me.
Mom, I saw that there are like these cups and napkins, and I started to open it.
Oh, yeah, there's another bathroom. Oh, cool.
Look, children can sleep right here.
Oh, yeah, there's Logi's bed. All right, what does the letter say? Let's see what...
Well, I just found it right here, and then I started...
Oh, I think these are the... Oh, this says, please don't forget to pick up your cake. Oh, so we got a cake. Hold on. Yes.
Where is it?
Hold on. Oh, and look, Aubrey, you got an arcade ticket for the arcade. You got $40 for the arcade.
It's the arcade.
Yep, and then this is our cake.
Are
we at the pool finally? Yep. Sorry, here. So where are we going to go first? Maybe find chairs? So they have lots of life jackets today. Aubrey's getting bundled up. Oh, that one's messed up. Oh, she needs... Oh, never mind. Okay. It's not too crowded today. Plenty of chairs. Oh, are you waiting for the bucket?
Yeah.
Oh. They're waiting for the bucket.
The bucket.
Aubrey, hi. Where you going? Chilling.
See you in next week then.
There they are. Aubrey is controlling that thing. What are you doing? I know. All right, so Aubrey got a wool cup and a cookie. Has like a flower or something. What's that?
It's a hair clip.
A hair clip?
I do two hair clips. Like one with flowers and like two flowers and one of none.
Yep. There she goes. She's doing so good. Go Aubrey! Go Aubrey! Go Aubrey! Go Aubrey! Oop. Uh-oh. Let's see, can she make it? Can she make it? I think she might want to stand up. Yeah, there you go. And she did it. Good job. Waves. There's Aubrey. Oh, she just got right in the face. Good news, Aubrey is tall enough this year. Last year she was sobbing. And Logan's too short this year. I will hold everything. Just give it all to me. Hey Aubrey, you're tall enough this year. You're so excited.
I'm so excited. And drop a like if you want to see more beautiful reactions. Drop a like. Wow. And also comment down below if you want daily reactions. Comment down below. Yeah. If I see enough comments, I will try to upload every day. I will try to. Wow.
Aubrey, I'm so proud of you. I know. So Logan is trapped. He's just gonna stay in there for a bit. There goes Logan. Let's see. Oh, he's going. Whee!
Whee!
You got this, Logan.
You're doing good.
You got this, Logan. Like, listen.
Yeah.
Mom, you're fine.
Let me see it, Ian.
I'll eliminate. This is my cup, and guys, this is my cup.
682. Oh, there we go.
Okay,
Or
calm down.
289.
I'll take one cup at a time.
We don't know.
Where's Aubrey's cup?
Why is our cup thrown at me?
That's your cup, Dad. I got my jets on it. Idiot.
I'm trying to pour lemonade and I need you to
If Dad's trying to pour lemonade.
Dad, what is this? That's a buzzer. It buzzes and it scares you and then you die.
Really?
That's pretty intense.
Really intense. Literally.
Dad, what is this? What is this, Dad? A buzzer.
It's a buzzer that lets us know that our order should.
It says when our food is ready. Are you excited for pizza?
It's a buzzer.
She's not listening. Are you excited for pizza?
No.
Totally.
No, it's
So what are you guys gonna do at the arcade?
claw machines. I've seen
Claw machine. Bunny game. Claw machines. Ian doesn't even have his card yet and somehow he's playing. Wow, Sid, double prizes! Let me see. Ian's earning a bunch of mushrooms. What the heck? He doesn't even have his card, but he's playing somehow. You lost.
I think you got something. Look down in there.
What did you get? That's weird. A psychic chicken.
A second, second.
Ooh, what does it say?
How can a second be second?
Be like the cat. Nap often. Yeah.
How can a second be second? Second, second.
Yeah.
Ian is failing at the croc thing.
This one, it just goes close fast.
Okay, I'll hold it. Alright, let's see. Let's see, will we get the giraffe?
Right there? Okay, let's go.
Oh, man.
What a scam.
Ugh.
Oh, I don't
Yes,
know.
Dad. And Logan is at the rabbits again. Just like last year.
That was realistic.
Oh, you finished it already? Oh man, I missed it.
It was realistic though.
Did you do a different one this year?
No.
You did the same one?
Wow, Logan got 375.
Good job.
Wow.
Let's see.
You're the one that's close.
Such a scam. So yeah, those two right there, that one and that one, we caused a tumble.
Close.
Let's see.
Alright, try it.
Lame.
Leave.
So Logan's sweets right here.
2-0.
Yeah, good haul. Ian's so happy. Happy Ian. Happy, happy Ian. Well, little kids can fit in that. Dad somehow convinced Aubrey to do his favorite game in the world.
I didn't. Oh, yeah.
Oh, she did it on her own? Oh, look at all your guys' tickets. Wow.
Snowberries. Pull the head of a snowberry.
Nope. Got it, Aubrey?
That's mine.
Okay, push it in.
Good job. The slap pop? Okay. Okay, alright, stop it. No, stop.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys. Okay, no, stop it. Dude, that's too hard. Don't. That's called abuse. Okay, put it away. Okay, this is a bad gift.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Ian. It is January 17. Ian? So Aubrey woke up at the Grey Wolf Lodge with a loud chicken. So that is from Aunt Carol. Thank you so much, the Oshitaki mushrooms. We love the loud. Oh, sorry, chicken. I did not mean to drop you. I did not mean to kill you. So yeah, that's from Oshitaki mushrooms. They got Aubrey a chicken. Hey, hey. What are you gonna do now that you're 6, Aubrey? Eat cake.
Eat cake.
Awesome. What are you gonna do on your birthday? Eat cake. You look so awake. What are you gonna do on Aubrey's birthday?
Don't eat cake.
Don't eat cake? Oh yeah, Logan does not like cake.
I'm not cake.
And Ian gave us the idea that Aubrey should tell him what to do. And Aubrey says that Ian should do dishes all day. I like that idea. They're eating warheads right now. What?
What?
Ian lost. Logan's the champion.
My taste buds are strong, actually.
Yeah. Good job.
It's not sweet, kind of. So worth it, because it's not sweet. Now give me one book.
I think Ian owes you $1. Well, look, Aubrey is in first place, Ian.
Yeah, because I haven't gone yet.
Go, Aubrey. She's thinking. See. Oh, man. Say happy birthday, Aubrey. Are you so happy you're at a water park on your birthday?
Yes.
Yeah.
Look at my headband.
Oh, yeah, look at the headband.
Wow.
Happy birthday. Perfect. So we are just waiting for Dad. He's doing a slide with the brothers.
Yeah, it's like the one that has like 4 feet.
Yeah, Aubrey was just 1 inch too small.
Yeah.
So maybe next year she can go on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When I'm like 10 years old.
Yeah, maybe when you're 7. Because you were like that close. You just need that more tallness.
Like this more.
Like that more. 1 inch.
1 inch.
Yeah, when you get...
Like this more.
No. What are you going to do first with Dad?
The one that's starting it now.
Are you going to do slides or a wave pool?
This means wave pool.
Wave pool? Okay.
This means slide.
Oh, I think I see him. Let's see. Is that Dad? Oh, right there. There he is. Oh, wait. Is he going again?
Again.
Oh, my gosh. Wow, I think he's going a second time. He said he was only going to do it one time.
I think the brother's saying again and
Yeah.
again.
And he just got caught.
Literally.
So we're gonna wait for Dad right here. She's not happy. Is that Logan? Oh, yep. There they are. You were in the background when I was talking to her in a video, and all of a sudden we see you go around again.
Let's go in the raft. We're going to wait for you.
It's her birthday. Yeah.
Who told her that?
Well, we saw you. I was like, oh look, there's Dad, and then he went around again.
All right, I'm sorry.
Oh. Oh. So we are on our last activity. We did this last time right before we left too. The mini golf.
Mini go.
Good job, birthday girl.
That was posted a Great Wall of Last by the Blue Crew. A link to the video will be in the description below. Go and check them out and drop a like if you like, and comment down below if you want to see more reaction like this one. And subscribe if you're new, and click the bell so you can be notified when I upload in my time. Wow. The Great Wall of Last looks really cool.